Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about ad designing. What is advertising? Advertising is creating messages to persuade and motivate someone to take action. Everything you need to know about advertising design. Before you start designing your ad. Brand identity, customer persona, product value, goals for the ad. Picking the right advertising format for your brand. Social media ads, print ads, outdoor ads, direct mail, email ads, video ads. Getting advertising design just right. Swiping freely and thoughtfully. Being on brand. Inspiring trust. Communicating value. Connecting with your audience. Balance and hierarchy. A clear, actionable CTA. How does advertising work? Advertising works by breaking through the clutter and noise of everyday life, disrupting the viewer's attention and demanding their focus. Depending on the goals of your ad campaign, advertising can go to work for your company in a variety of ways to raise awareness of your brand, to drive potential customers to your business, to promote sales for both new and existing products, to introduce a new product or service to the market, to differentiate your product from your competitors. Advertising versus marketing. Marketing constitutes the big picture of how a company plans to raise awareness of its brand and convince customers to make a purchase. Advertising is communicating persuasive messages around these broad goals. Advertising methods. Print advertising. Billboards and public transit ads. TV commercials. Radio. Event advertising. Direct mail. Print advertising. Print advertising refers to posters, bulletins, flyers, and other physically printed promotions. It also refers to newspaper and magazine ads. Billboards and public transit ads. Billboard advertising encompasses print advertising on a much larger scale. Due to their size, the design, placement, and cost of a billboard and public transit ads are different than typical print advertising. TV commercials. TV commercials are short advertisements developed and paid for by companies and organizations looking to capture the audience of a TV show or network program. TV ads have been around since the invention of the television and have since changed drastically with the birth of streaming TV. Radio. Radio advertising refers to spoken advertising spots aired on radio channels between music and other programs. This method dates back to 1920 when commercial radio first aired. Event advertising. Events, both in person and virtual, are opportunities to connect with your audience while promoting your brand and products. You can host your own event, as HubSpot does with Inbound, in the form of a conference, webinar, roundtable, or luncheon. Direct mail. Direct mail advertising includes postcards, pamphlets, and catalogs mailed directly to the homes of your target audience. A direct mail advertising strategy is more personal than others on this list, but it's also very costly. Free ad design software. Canva, Design Wizard, Banner Snack, Visme, Snappa, Lucid Press, Banner Book. If you want to know more details about ad designing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program, Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design and Web Design, Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,